Hi everyone, my name is Josabel D. Hireño. I am 21 years old and currently studying in USTP and a working student in McDonald's company. And I am excited to share a little about myself. I live in Parola, Macabalan, Cagayan de Oro City, a working student na I'm the only one who support myself and support my study. I work in the morning and then school in the evening. That's why I choose night class instead of regular classes because as a night classes as a working student kasi we need to manage our time, even though it's so hard to say kasi po minsan our time is nagkaka-conflict siya because the time of our time in school and sa work. That's why being a night class is isa siyang malaking tulong sa amin as a working student na nag-work in the morning and then school in the evening. And that's all. And if you ask po why I choose TCM, hindi ko po talaga pinili ang TCM, but it's a good opportunity na makapasok sa USTP kasi po walang tuition fee na babayaran. And yun lang po, day by day naman po is parang natatanggap ko siya and mas napapamahal na ako sa course na hindi ko naman po gusto bihin. But I am looking forward po na sana madami kaming matutunan. We have madami kaming matutunan ng mga lesson about this course, and I hope na this course will lead us to success. And I will describe myself as hardworking and then problem solving and good listener, and I am looking forward to for communication kasi po I am introvert and I am too shy to communicate to people and then to nakipaghalubilo sa mga tao. That's why po I want to learn how to communicate and how to approach people po. And I hope this course is gonna teach us how to communicate, how to approach people, and how to be confident, because